Welcome back. Today I will discuss about trigonometry. Describe in Greek word trigonometry. So tri plus gon plus metron. This tri means meaning 3, and also gon meaning side, metron meaning measure, 3 sides measure. Trigonometry is a study relation between angle and side in triangle, and also will study ratio of side of in a right triangle with respect to acute angle. So now start with diagram. So now draw a right triangle PQR. So makes angle 90. Trigonometry possible in right triangle. So now make this R makes angle theta. So now this opposite sides, so perpendicular denote capital P, and also stand this angle base denote B, and this slant height, so hypotenuse denote H. There are 6 ratios in trigonometry. First, sine theta is equal to, we learn about sine theta perpendicular upon base, perpendicular and P upon base B, perpendicular upon hypotenuse H. So this is in figure PQ upon PR. So sin theta is equal to P by H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And also part of second, cos theta is equal to base B upon hypotenuse H, or QR upon PR. base upon hypotenuse is called cos theta, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base P upon B, or perpendicular PQ upon QR. This tan theta, sides of ratio perpendicular upon base called tan theta. The ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse is called ratio of sin theta, and similarly base upon hypotenuse ratio known as cos theta. In same way part of third, and same way ratio fourth, and opposite of sin cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to PR upon PQ. So this is cosec theta. And also sec theta part of fifth, sec theta hypotenuse H upon base B is equal to PR upon QR, and 6 cot theta is equal to base B upon perpendicular QR upon PQ. So remark. So there first sin theta is equal to P by H. Sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and second opposite sin opposite cosec theta H upon P, and third cos theta is equal to B by H. cos theta b by h, and fourth sec theta is equal to h upon b, and fifth tan theta is equal to p by b, and sixth cot theta is equal to b by p. So learn according to this. Easy. Sin theta is equal to p by h, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, this opposite, and cos theta b by h, base upon hypotenuse, and sec theta, this opposite sec theta, h upon b, hypotenuse upon base, and tan theta perpendicular upon base, p by b, perpendicular upon base, or cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. So learn this, and according to this you can solve by this formula ratio of trigonometry inside. You find side of trigonometry in side 1, 2, 3. If two sides are given, so third side find out, and also angle find out in this ratio of side. So and sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is also ratio of sin theta and cos theta known as tan theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to also cos theta upon sin theta. So this is ratio of sin cos, cos sin, cos sin, cos upon sin, cot, and sin upon sin theta upon cos theta known as tan theta. That's all. Now example of this question number first in exercise 8.1. Question number first, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Right angle at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine first sin A cos A and also sin C cos C. So this is comma and also comma. So now solution of this question, make a right triangle at B. So now draw a right triangle at B 90 and angle A and C. So now AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. And apply the ratio, find ratio of this according to this figure. Now if we apply this, so initially we find three sides of measuring sides and two are given and third side unknown. So initially we find third side. So now by Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So square of AC is equal to square of AB plus square of BC. Greater side, square of greater side is equal to square of some other two sides. So by Pythagoras theorem. So now these value put here, AB 24 square plus BC 7 square and AC square. So 24 square 5 7 6 plus 7 49. So now AC square is equal to 9 plus 6 15 and 7 plus 4 11 plus 12 and 5 plus 1 6. So AC is equal to square of 625, get 25. AC is equal to 25 centimeter. So now put 25 centimeter. Now we find first sine A. This is sine, ratio of sine with front of angle A. So front side P, this is P, and this is base and this is H. So sine is equal to P by H. Yeah, BC upon AC or P by H. So B perpendicular 7 upon AC 25. So this is answer of sine. And same way cos A. Cos A base B by H. By formula B by H AB upon AC is equal to AB 24 upon AC 25. This is answer. And also part of second part. Now solve this. Part of second, sin C and cos C. Now given figure, this B and A and C. So 25 centimeter and 24 centimeter and 7 centimeter. We see angle C front of this side P. जिस एंगल की तरफ से हम देखते हैं उसके सामने की साइड परपेंडिकुलर कहलाती है. सो साइन C एंड दिस A. सो A के सामने का परपेंडिकुलर आपका BC होगा. उसी तरह एंगल C के सामने का साइड जो है AB वह परपेंडिकुलर कहलाएगी. So this P and also this is base and there is no change in hypotenuse. So sin C is equal to sin C P by H AB upon AC is equal to 24 upon 25 and cos C is equal to cos C base upon hypotenuse BC upon AC. BC means 7 upon 25. This is answer of first question, and you can solve other question. That's all.